How to log in Bank of America account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. Let me head over to Safari. In the search bar, search for Bank of America. Head over to the very first site. You will be landing on the official page of Bank of America. Once you're in here, click on Login at the top right corner. This interface will appear in your screen. So first of all, enter your user ID, which is given to you while creating your Bank of America account online. Once you have entered your user ID, enter the password which you have created. And once you click on Login, you will be logged into your account. Well, if you have forgotten your user ID or the password, click on Forgot ID or Password. With the help of some process, you will be able to recover your ID or the password, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your Bank of America account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.